I don't know how this is going to work because normally this takes 2 hands to do this, but I've added a little bit of grease on the side where the stem rides back and forth as you push the lever up and down. I line this up with the hole and push down and bring it also over towards the front, as you can see, flush. And then what I do is, using the roll pin, I get that started, and then I'm going to use a hammer to drive the roll pin just past the second tang on the up lever. Now keep in mind, the up lever is the first lever that goes in. Oops. Good thing I caught that. That's the down lever. Oh, they're both down. I'm messing it up. Okay. So that's supposed to be an up lever. Then the split pin. And now I'm going to use a hammer, which takes 2 hands.